You are now watching the ONYXCON Foundation's The Outdoor Experience Worldwide.
With your host, Joseph R. Wheeler III. ONYXCON was born 2009 in Atlanta, Georgia. In 2020, we created the ONYXCON Fishing Tournament to get people outdoors and enjoy hiking and the wonderful art of angling. Outdoor recreation and its magical inspirations for art is our focus. So join us as we travel locally and abroad to bring you the true core of creative magnificence via our universal connection to that which we are all a part of, nature. This is the Outdoor Experience Worldwide.
The Chattahoochee has been good to me. From the catfish, some of the biggest I've ever caught in my life, to the beautiful lakes of Georgia. The creeks and ponds, trips out on the boat with my dad. Yeah, the bass are acting right. The gar got me doing everything, and I still need to catch one. The magnolias are in bloom, and however beautiful they are, I need to see some new flowers. And so, I'm carving another path, straight to a nearby territory that is known for the fish. So I'm hitting the road, y'all. Family road trip, summertime, for a hot fish summer, so I can look eye to eye with something new. Because I need something new. I like diversity. And there's plenty of diversity in Florida. So here I come. Lizards, palm trees, and golden scales. Beat the drum. Let them know ONYXCON is here. ladies. Jacksonville was once occupied by First Nations peoples known as the Timucuan. The Timucuan was a general term known for multiple tribes of similar cultures stretching from southeast Georgia to northeast and north central Florida. The area had an established 35 chiefdoms, with thousands of people living there speaking different dialects of the Timucua language. Upon European contact, leading to invasion and imperialistic colonization, there were 200,000 Timucua. The Timucua practiced several different cultural traditions. Upon European contact, like most First Nations peoples, they died of newly introduced diseases. Roughly about 75% of their population diminished by the time of war conflicts, led especially by the British and Spanish, to take over the Timucuan lands. Since everybody's claiming we have a universe, I hereby claim this in the name of ONYXCON. Welcome to another episode of the Outdoor Experience Worldwide. I'm your host, Joseph R. Wills III, and today we're in Jacksonville. Yes, and it's a momentous occasion because not only am I hitting the water for the first time, salt water for the first time in a long time, but I'm out here with my mom and my pops. I said my mom, y'all. We got mom.
This is what they're talking about.
This is what you're talking about. Which one?
The little skiff.
Skip, which one are you pointing to?
Right there when you're getting out the boat.
Okay.
And instead of a life jacket on the last half of our day, I'd probably just stand up. Yeah. There you go. That's right. Alright, I'm gonna pick up a little speed here. Go down the river here. We're gonna start with a pretty decent run here, and then we're gonna work our way back towards the ramp. It ends up kind of evening out our fishing time.
Alright.
John? Start spraying sunscreen in there.
Oh, no. So we are working with shrimp this morning, and plenty of them. That's what's up.
Yeah, man.
What particular species of shrimp are these?
Man, these are West Coast grass shrimp.
West Coast grass shrimp, okay.
So those are from like Tampa, Sarasota, all that stuff.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, they stay alive better than our local shrimp in a live well for some reason, so.
How about that?
They're a little hardier.
Okay.
Just like that.
I see. Just like that. Cool.
The reason for that right there is, shrimp meant to go fast backwards. So basically, as fast as you can pull them, they'll stay straight.
Nice. Get it, Mom. Get it, Mom.
Oh yeah,
That fish.
Mom is doing
Got
it like
the toes,
that.
Mom with the
Put it
toes.
on a toe.
He's like, I'm pretty too. Y'all just don't understand.
Yeah. My mama said.
That's right.
Are we doing it? Are we doing it like that? Yes, we are. And that's a nice pull. Come on with your bad stuff.
That might be red.
That might be.
That might be red.
Oh, that's another. Oh! Yeah.
We're doing the
Wow, I love it. Yeah, it is. First flounder, wow. I've never caught one, yeah.
Still green, I'll tell you that.
Hey,
He's not happy to be here.
I mean, hey, that's
I can't blame him.
right. It's the nature of all the fish. Yep. Cool.
Check them out.
Actually, get that from me, man.
Okay.
Yeah, fly.
Yeah, I know he'll. Yeah. I feel the tension.
Yeah. They're strong.
Yeah.
Boom, got them on.
You got it?
Yes, you got it.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Mom.
Oh, that's a big mango.
Woo!
Keeper. Right?
Nice.
Mango.
Mom.
Good thing y'all brought her.
Hey.
There you go.
Yes, sir. Hold on.
That's a keeper.
Wonderful. Mom.
We're picking away that little
I love the nonchalantness. Like, yeah, I got me.
Yeah, right. All she's doing is telling me,
man.
pass me back.
Yes, sir. There it is. Mango.
That's a nice one right there.
Very nice.
Right.
Pretty color. I love the colors. Yeah. I'm about to get on him.
No, you did put it. You may have turned it off.
It ain't gonna take them long now.
They playing with you,
It's a
Mom?
little one.
They playing with you.
Playing.
Hit it, Mom. Yay.
Bring it in.
Hey.
That's the croaker.
Nice croaker, making noise too. I love it.
That's a keeper.
Big time sound.
Yes, sir. Look
Listen
at
to
that.
you.
Man, you got you a nice one.
Yeah, you did.
Dang.
Go, Mom.
Look at the size of that.
Beautiful color.
Yo, you got to put him on film.
Yeah, I
He's
got
a
him.
star.
He's in there.
He's a star, man.
Here, I'll jump up there.
Okay, cool.
Should get a little.
For sure. Yeah, come around. I got the line still. Nice. Let me get- Mom, turn around if you can. Toward me, I'm saying. So I can get your face with the fish.
You know what you're trying to
I'm trying to get your picture, that's
It's
all.
all about production.
It's all production, that's
It's all
all.
production.
Yeah, hold on. Do that again. Got the real
I think
deal.
we're talking real.
Mom got that real deal.
on boot.
Mom got that real
I think you got
deal.
that thing. I think that's it.
Mom got that real deal. Oh, I thought you was. I ain't know what you did.
You got to wait. Mom.
Oh, man.
Mom, that's red.
Look at Mom.
I think you're all right. I think.
Yeah,
Oh, he's taking red. Oh, he got shot.
No, he on there.
Just keep the pressure on him.
He is on there, Mom. Yes.
Yeah.
Dig in, Mom.
Yeah.
Dig in. Use the force.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Big red.
Give us some
Dap it up.
The
Dap it
first
up.
red
Mom,
of the
that's
day.
red.
Mom.
Oh, he's beautiful. Yeah.
That's
You ain't gotta
what
worry
I'm
about no baby
talking
there.
about.
Check it out, Mom.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, we got to get you in the picture there.
Mom.
Look at the dot on it. Oh, he's beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
That's what we come to see.
Look at them colors.
I'm gonna hold your tail. You
That's
know,
Let me just kind of readjust my grip on him.
I know that's right.
Yeah, hold on. Let me come around and get a good angle on it.
I gotta sit on there.
Oh yeah.
You know that's going to really grow by the time we get back.
Man.
Oh, I'm telling you, they weren't catching anything. And so I just told him, I said, just keep me in the water. And, he tried to get away.
Oh,
He really tried, but, you know, he wasn't going anywhere. I had him hooked.
When I say Onyx, you say con? Onyx!
Hold on!
Y'all going right. Let's get it.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. Mom.
That'll give you something to show.
Yeah. Ooh, ain't nothing like that.
Don't you love it when he goes big for the bottom?
Yes. Yep. Same story. I'm bringing them back. Yep. May as well.
Coming over.
Here we go. About to do that splash. It's all good. Whoa. Where am I at? I can't even see. I won't.
See.
Woo!
See. Joe, tell him. Don't try this at home.
Yep. Yeah, I let it go. It's all the way open. You good.
Joe, tell him.
Yes.
Don't try this at home.
It's everything to me. That gold, 24 karat goldfish.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's like goldfish. It's a snack to smile.
I love that.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm starting to wonder if we mess around and get where we can't even fit no more later because of the
Once
other.
they're still lazy, you can fit them out.
Okay, we'll do it.
What's the career limit?
Yeah, what is the
So
limit?
the limit is 2 per person.
Per person?
Okay.
So that would be my 2. Or did we keep? You kept my first one, right?
Yeah.
It was his. Yeah.
2 per person.
2 per person. So we can get 6,
I got you.
and we would have 4 with this one.
Okay, we got 4 with that.
So what you think?
Put them in.
Put him in.
Okay.
Oh, so we still
We
got.
might be looking at some trout a little later on.
Yeah, I want to hit the trout. I love the trout.
But we can try it.
Yeah, Dad. Get it, Dad. Get it.
Reel yours in.
Really? He's gonna wrap it, yeah. Woo! That's red again. That is red again. Okay. Oh yeah. Wow.
Yeah, he's a man.
Woo! Nice.
Oh!
Nice.
Get the harpoon.
Get it.
I got it.
Oh, and he's running. He's not
Running.
He's not happy. He's not happy.
You got him away from the structure, now you can kind of take him easy.
Nice. Nice.
There you go.
Good gosh, yes,
Let me
nice.
just position the boat and we'll get all the pictures. And
Oh man, yeah.
Good job, man.
Absolutely.
Good job keeping him out of that
Let's
structure.
weigh that one if you got your scale.
Yeah.
Man.
That's a huge.
Well, you know, I was catching fish like that.
There goes the stores.
You know.
Get a little editorial.
And got that gold. That's what I want to see. I love that gold. Yeah, man. That gold. That gold. Beautiful.
That's how it'll work right there.
That is beautiful.
Beautiful.
Get over there.
I just want you to know.
I like your singing, man.
Oh, bro. Don't get me started.
Yeah, right in the gills, or I have a little fish grip you can use too.
Get them plates. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Slide them to the side, you'll get a better pick.
Yeah.
And you know we have to slide him out because he gets 10 foot bigger when
Yeah.
Of course.
you never hold him too close.
Of course. Yeah. Exaggerated camera angles.
When I tell the story, he's
All
going
right,
to
get
be
ready.
20 pounds.
Look at that.
That's a
I
beautiful
got him
fish.
inside 27. I'd say yesterday he was good to go.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, today he is not.
He's 28.
27 and a quarter.
That's all right.
He
That's
doesn't
all
know
right.
it. Your measurements a little off.
You know what? He's in my head, so he'll live forever.
Forever.
He'll live forever.
Yeah, let's weigh him up.
Weigh him up.
Oh.
8 pounds.
8
pounds, y'all.
Now suppose he was 30. Can you imagine what
Good,
he'd be doing
yes.
to that line right now?
Yes.
Hey, can you give me a wipe? Where's yours?
Here, get on.
Beautiful fish there, guys.
I love it. I love it.
We'll take that.
Yeah, all day.
It's a good problem to watch them swim
Oh,
when
you
they're
know.
too big.
And for you to say, oh no, he's over the limit.
Over the limit.
Man, that's music. That's music to my ears. Now when we get back, now that's a whole. What?
20 pounds.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that camera work.
He's working, ain't he? He's working.
Are you enjoying this content? We know you are. And if you are excited and should be, we want you to support us. Remember, ONYXCON is a 501c3 nonprofit. The Outdoor Experience Worldwide is our subsidiary, bringing you this ONYXCON Fishing Tournament contest, live and direct with every single amazing film presentation like this. If you're excited, if you want to support us, all we ask you to do right now is match the catch. We're announcing the pounds, we're announcing the length of the fish. When you hear either or, match it for dollars. $1, $5, $10, $100, whatever you can give. Check the link in the bio for our GoFundMe or our Cash App or our PayPal. Either way, you're supporting ONYXCON, and we thank you. Now back to the action. Keep that up. Yeah. To your right, Mom. To your right. To your right. Toward him. There you go. Toward him.
Come on around.
That's good. Oh, you. Mom done got herself in the. Okay. So, this was a pivotal moment. Joe is an excellent captain, and I know it's common practice on charters that if nothing's happening, they might toss one out, and if they get one on, they pass it to the customer and let you reel it in. Now, for somebody who's a novice angler, no big deal. Somebody who considers themselves a pro, it's a special spiritual connection I have with the fish. I want to reel it in, I want to feel the hit, I want every part of the process. Though I have no problem reeling in a great fish, so still thanks for the catch. But in the future, I don't want to be held at a pole. And this threw me off. It threw off my rhythm. I still got the fish in, so I'm proud of myself. But I tell you, just let me do it from start to finish. That's the way it's got to be. Watch this. I still got him.
Joe?
Yes, sir. Why not? Oh, I'm not left-handed.
I know, you can flip it upside down if you got to.
Oh, my God. I was like, wait.
Go forward.
Yeah.
You got to reel the other way, remember?
Yeah, you flipped my whole world with a left hand.
One thing to remember, real talk.
That's feeling like another drum. That's feeling like another drum. Another red there.
You pulling like that?
Yeah, that's another red. That's that feeling, man. Yes.
Like you didn't want to hear?
Joe about to make me ambidextrous.
I'm sorry.
Whatever.
Lift up,
We'll make it work for a fish. Okay.
And then reel down. Yep, there you go.
Yeah,
And then lift up.
Mm-hmm.
And reel down.
Yep.
When you hear that clicking sound, you don't need to reel. You just want to let it go.
Yep.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Get ready to come over.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's him. I knew it. It's the way they feel. I know the way they. Another one.
Hold on one second.
Yep, he's coming up.
Keep reeling.
He's coming. Yep. Ooh.
We're gonna end up all tangled up together, maybe. But
I tell you, next time it's got to be right-handed.
Man, that's not.
you still got him.
I got it.
Left hand, right hand don't matter. We're doing it.
Oh my gosh.
All around the world.
Nice. Oh, they grunt too. That's the first time I heard one talk.
Yeah, red drum.
Beautiful.
Drum family.
Yeah, see how red he is compared to the other spot?
Look at him.
Yes.
Look at him. He changed a whole different color on you.
Hey, Dad, get the shot for me.
Yeah, let me get it.
It's up to you. What'd you say,
Whatever
Mom? Mom said keep him.
Let him go.
We'll let him go. Okay, that's all good.
We'll keep the game alive.
That's
Why
kind of
not?
what I'm looking forward to.
Why not?
Game alive.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Come on. Little slickster.
What you got there?
There it is. That's the pin he was talking about. Hey, look at the color. That's beautiful. Look at the sheen in the light. It's like purplish.
Yeah.
Like, wow. Hold on.
Orange, yellow.
All kind of stuff going on. Love it.
That's why. That's what's stripping that good.
Yep. 100%.
Robbers. Hey. Oh man, came off.
Oh
Dang.
well, maybe I changed my mind. Maybe I go back in.
He didn't come off. He snapped.
Snap the line.
Gotcha.
Man.
Yeah.
The line.
Yeah.
Snap the line.
Yes, it was. You heard him take that drag and was doing his thing.
Wow. Yeah, that's serious.
Supposed to catch one with a jig head in his mouth.
We know that's
You're right. I say, Mom.
Let me get out of her way. Let me get mine out the way because he's running.
Oh, look at that. You got a shark.
You got
Oh, what?
Right, leave him in the water.
Look
Yes,
at
indeed.
him.
Leave him in the
Hammer.
water.
Is that shovel head?
Shovel
Shovel
head.
head.
Is that a shovel head?
It is.
Yes.
Yeah, bonnet head.
Oh, don't get near me.
It's all right. Don't run,
Shovel
Mom. You the one
head.
snapping.
I love it.
But I don't want him.
Wow. Let me see. I got enough to take that picture. He still got the shrimp in his mouth.
Keeping the shrimp.
Hold on. Let me get this pic real quick. Oh my goodness. That remind me the one one of the counselors,
I'll get the pointy end away from you there.
right?
I want just let you hold him.
Boom. Got him. Yeah, exactly.
Get out of
Isn't
there.
that something?
All the way back here. Huh?
Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't beat them. Shark
That's
time.
why your line was moving.
I mean,
You
yeah,
had help.
plenty. And I was just, it's so funny because I was just about to tell Mom, tighten up your line, Mom. I see you getting limp there. Don't worry. He'll do it. Wow. A lot of stuff.
Start talking about the
As long
trifecta.
as I don't bring his
You
dad
talking about
in.
the trifecta.
That's right.
There you go.
So leave his mother and father out there.
Oh, they're here. I was about to say, I do catch a couple sharks on this one.
Yeah,
Wow.
Yeah.
Large one.
Those get about 2-3 feet.
That-
Maxed out. They'll pull drag though.
I was about to say that's going yeah, that's gonna be the real. It's amazing the difference in the conversation when you fish saltwater. It's like, oh, it was small. It was only 3 feet. You know?
Yeah, like in freshwater, you're like,
You what?
it was 3 feet.
3 feet.
Can you believe it? It was this big.
Yeah.
Like that's
Yeah.
bait, man.
Yeah, it's funny. I used to do a lot of shark fishing on the beach. You ever seen that? Yeah, it's big on YouTube.
Oh my
used to do a lot
god.
of that, and those bonnet heads are great bait for it. Here on Shark Week, you know, oh, sharks don't eat sharks. BS.
No, heck yeah.
Oh,
Mom is Get it, Mom.
let's get him out of the water.
Get it,
and
Mom. Bent pole, Mom.
Bent pole, rod, and reel.
Yeah,
screaming.
again. What, oh, a channel?
catfish.
Are you kidding me?
Well, you're talking about the
They followed
trifecta
us.
now.
Now, what
You
is that? A
talk-
channel?
No,
What
that's
is that?
sea cat.
That's not a
You don't want nothing to do with these.
That's
right here.
saltwater cat.
Yeah, okay. I just haven't seen one in so a while. Like, and usually I think the ones I'm used to seeing at the beach are always like all silvery.
Yeah, that's what the same thing.
Same thing. It's just they get dark on the back out here. Okay.
See, he's got that blue tail, just like a.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. The tail tells you. Yep. Beautiful. Still, you getting it? Yep.
He's getting it. Yeah.
For sure. Wow. So listen to him talking. Oh, because of the long. Let me see.
Sail, yeah.
Nah, I know they.
He just threw the shrimp up.
Yep.
Hold on, man.
He's laughing. But then look at this. He's getting the picture. Yep. Hey. I hear you. I hear you, man. All of them talk. I love it. Oh, okay, I was going. Yeah, I appreciate There we go. There he is. We talked him up. I said, look at there. Oh man. Look at you, look at you. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. Look at you. Hello, beautiful. Watch that tail. Yeah, they real. The name is real. Beautiful color on you too. Oh man. Yeah, I don't need this picture. We're just gonna do video. I got a picture. We're gonna respect with just that. Look at that. Just the way they move is amazing. What you need?
I don't want something to flip them over with for you.
Oh, okay.
Just don't want to get that.
Right.
We ain't playing.
Right. Ain't nobody playing.
So that tail is yours.
Ain't nobody playing.
Yeah, he's inserting his venom.
Hey.
Look at that, Joe.
Look at there. Man, how many shrimp came out? What?
That's
That's from your. Okay, got you. Yeah.
pretty cool, huh?
Man, he done caught the. Oh man,
Yeah,
awesome. Nice. I know they're biting. Y'all want to have a day like that?
That's right.
Jacksonville.
Jacksonville.
That's Joe.
Captain Joe.
I'm
set him
Joseph.
up fishing charters.
That's Joe. It's a Joseph thing. Talk to him.
Hey, set him up fishing charters. Charters 904-770-0577. Hit me up, guys. Let's go fishing.
It is.